Ready to turn your car into a cash machine and ditch the 9-to-5 grind? First, make sure you've successfully downloaded the Uber Driver app on your smartphone. It's available on both iOS and Android devices. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll likely need to log in with the account you created during your driver application process. Input your username and password, and then you will move on to the next step. Now it's time to get rolling. Look for the Go button, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen. Tap that button to go online and make yourself available for ride requests. The app will use GPS to track your location and match you with potential passengers. You'll see a map showing your location, nearby ride requests, and surge pricing areas. If any are active, keep your eyes peeled for those surge areas. They can really boost your earnings. When a ride request comes through, you'll see details like the pickup location, the estimated fare, and destination. You have a few seconds to decide whether you want to accept the ride. Once you accept a request, navigate to the passenger's pickup location, and once the ride concludes, your earnings are immediately calculated by Uber. Payment is straightforward. Uber typically calculates your earnings based on time, distance traveled, and other factors. You can track your earnings in the app. Uber sends payments directly to your bank account, a feature which gives a boost to the appeal of the platform due to the convenience with which you get paid. The Uber platform gives you tons of financial flexibility, so get out there and start driving today.